I am a senior at Slinger High School. I am in the Start College Now program with Moraine Park. I wanted to advance my welding career because I graduated from all the welding classes I could at my high school. I chose to do the dual credit program because I thought it would be really interesting to learn and explore new possibilities in welding. Moraine Park is a good fit for me because it's close to home. The people here are really great. My advice would be just to do it. It's amazing what you can learn and grow into with all the possibilities here. 5 years from now, I hope that I am a crane operator or heavy equipment operator in the Army. Achieving my educational goal makes me feel really great, especially since I'm still in high school. I'm already one step ahead of everyone else and one step closer to getting a job. I can start college now.